that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Time, period. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Y'all already know I love those who love me. So this is our second day in Miami. I'm sorry for the echo. I'm in our bathroom, but this is our second day in Miami, and the girls left me. Nah, this is really our third day, but like our second whole day. So I had to edit some of my videos this morning, and the girls wanted to go outside, but I, you know, had to edit. So I'm still coming. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I'm still outside. I just had shit to do first. But I wanted to give y'all a fit check before I head out, even though I don't have nothing on for real. It's just a bikini top and some shorts and glasses by Lynn Carter Customs. Don't play with that girl. She's not one of them. Never been, ever. But yeah, so let me turn off these lights because we gotta go. Oh, hello. Oh, where's the light for this hallway? I'm turning off the lights like we pay the bills here. I'm just trying to be nice. All right. That's it on that. But we outside. Oh, and when I was trying to upload my videos or whatever, it sounds a little bit thunderstormish out here. But yeah, so I'm outside. And what about? I'm starting to, oh my God. I'm on my way to the beach. Our Airbnb is not that far away from the strip. Everybody's looking at me because I'm vlogging, but I don't fucking care. This is who I am. I'm Ling the motherfucking sad. Why my face looks so oily? Them people got an eviction notice on their door. I hope y'all can hear me because it sounds like it's a breeze. I mean, it's like it's a breeze going on out here. So I hope y'all can hear me. But yeah, I'm on my way to the beach. Let's go get away. So, you hear the po-po? Oh. It was the ambulance. But I'm gonna see y'all when I link up with Monty and them. They said they was going to the beach. They had grab food, so I'm probably gonna grab food before I meet up with them. But yeah, I'm out here dolly in these Miami streets right now. Stop playing with you. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I'm out here dolly in Miami streets. Right. What's tea, y'all? So we at the beach now. I met up with the girl. The sun is this way, so that's why I gotta like look backwards. And I don't even know if y'all can hear me for real because the wind is blowing. But we at the beach. Let's go get away. Period. Feet mad. Sand so white. It's litty. It's y'all can't see me because it's something just fucking bit me. Yeah. What's your name? Period. Yeah, nutties on the beach. He's serving nutties on the beach, y'all. I don't think they want them.
I know, I'm just gonna get them.
Oh, okay, we could drink them. Fuck it. What flavors do you have? Oh, I want strawberry. No, maybe. Be good on it. Yeah, the guy that we got though. He was talking about $50. I'm like, oh, you have that back. He said, all right, y'all can take it. So yeah. This bitch, they made me.
used to think that I wasn't fine enough, fine enough. I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, fine enough.
No,
Y'all, it's getting juicy out here.
Why do they need that many cops for this one?
Look how they lit up the street. Look how they lit up the street for this black man. So you know we had to come, cause you know we gotta stick together. We don't play that. We gotta stick together. But then, they run in his pockets. They can't do that. Hold on, y'all. Look, I'm about to give y'all the drizzy. I don't want to get caught by them.
What if they pull out a dead body?
What if they put him in the trunk?
And then drive off. And then drive off. We witnessed that shit.
Y'all play too much. I can't even.
Wait, what's in there though?
Nothing. First of all, if he never told them that they could go in there, they couldn't have gone in there.
What if he's drunk? So we're gonna go. We'll look at the black guy. Cause they gonna think we with this man at this point. Alright, go that way.
Not necessarily.
They're gonna think we're what?
With him.
They know. So what? No.
They know it's 2021. They know what's up.
She got her camera ready to put it on YouTube.
Oh, it's going on YouTube.
I said they know every time a black man gets arrested, that record. Because it doesn't make sense how it's.
Because if they get shot, right.
That's so like.
The only way that they're supposed to call back up if it's more than one person in the car, it's only him.
Right, because look that. All of them look good.
We're at some ice cream shop now getting ice cream gelato. I just want vanilla. I think that's all I'm gonna get. Yeah. They got mad flavors though. What's tea, y'all? Period. So it's the next day. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. Girl, what happened to the vlog? Like, yeah, you're not showing us nothing. I'm slacking, right? Well, see what happened was I told y'all we was taking them edibles, and that's exactly what we did. And it put us down. So, look at my lashes. Like, I'm just having a grand old time. My lashes is thinning out. But yeah, so it's December 17th, Friday, and we're all getting ready actually now. We was actually cleaning the room earlier, but we all getting ready now, about to go to we're going to Bacon Bitch today. It's about to be lit. We're going to Bacon Bitch today. You know, the place where they be like calling you all types of B words, but I don't want to keep saying it because I don't want to get, you know, flagged for cursing so much. But yeah, bro. So we're about to go there, and once I get dressed, I'll get back with y'all. Okay, hold on. So y'all don't think I'm capping. Imani just wrote the Airbnb owner guide about the Wi-Fi information, because we've been looking all over the B&B for the Wi-Fi stuff so I can upload my videos. I have the content ready to go, but I don't have Wi-Fi in the hotspot. My phone is not working to upload the videos for you guys, so I'm sorry. So there's no videos up yet. And I feel like I keep making excuses, but he's supposed to be coming here in 30 minutes to bring us a broom or whatever. So when he get here, I'm gonna just ask him, like, what is the Wi-Fi? Like, you got a whole content creator in here. Oh my god, y'all. And why last night when we was out at the Lookin', we went to the Lookin' again last night, why did I finally reach the requirements to become monetized on YouTube? Don't play with me, for real. Like, don't play with me. Big things is about to happen. So I'm about to get ready, and then I will get back with y'all, because yeah, we're outside and we're in Miami and it's litty. Like, let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm ready to go. I just sweat my hair. I don't like it in a wet state because it be so little, but this is my fit. Hold on, let me give y'all a fit check. Hold on. Cause there's music playing out there and I do not want to get copyrighted. But this is what I'm wearing. This is from, I think this is from Pretty Little Things. But yeah, so I'm ready. We're about to head out. I think I'm about to put hoops in because that's what is more given for this fit. So hold on, let me try to find my hoops. Jewelry. Well, this is from Shein. This is from Shein. This is from Shein. You know how that go. You know how that go. Most of my jewelry is from Shein, except for my necklaces. But like my bracelets and stuff. My bracelets and stuff are from Shein. I really want to make this a side part, but it's not giving it, so. Gang is ready to go.
Hey, y'all.
We just waiting on everybody else, but we supposed to be going to the restaurant called Bacon Bitch, I think.
Yeah.
And they be.
If we make it.
We're gonna make it, but nobody just takes reservation time serious in this friend group.
And then
so.
we miss them.
But I mean, they should just call and tell them we on our way.
We're only gonna be 5 minutes late.
We walk in.
We walk now.
But I'ma see
I
y'all.
never get it.
It's a birthday bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday bitch. Here's to my bitch, Monty. So we just left Bacon Bitch and I'm drunk as fuck. Yeah.
What happened? Wait. Because a real bitch is 23. I know you thought I was older.
No,
but I'm not.
nobody thought that.
They trying to shut her shit down, man.
I know you thought I was older before it got too far.
You said before you had to take it too far. What's that? It's given. In these Miami streets, it's always given. Yeah, we was just in Bacon Bitch, Liddy in this spot, Liddy in this city, every city. Grr-bab. But we on the strip now. We just walking around the strip. But we just got here. So I look crazy. Oh my god, but I'm drunk.
She's a little smith.
Just a little snit. I'm a little snit. I'm a little dread.
Like last time. Remember we was in that video?
Yeah. What video y'all was in?
Like one of those questions for spring break.
Like, you.
Now we're at Voodoo. What happened? We just got here though. Like we was walking down the strip and it's right here. I'm drunk. Yeah, I'm drunk. I'm sorry, but I'm vlogging and the strip is getting active. Today's Friday, so it's gonna be active. But we have Voodoo Lounge.
And we have Voodoo Lounge.
Yeah. Yeah. Tony Kinesis on the cam. What happened?
You know my last name. I mean, your middle name. What is middle name? Yeah.
What's up? So it's December 18th, our last day here. We're going to find food. Today we chilling. We're probably gonna go to the beach. Well, we are going to the beach after we find something to eat. But I just wanted to check in and let y'all know.
But it wasn't like that back when I met her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. But it wasn't like that.
A real nigga. The missing tooth is crazy.
We take him, boo. He said, alright. Let's be on a boo.
I'm about that action, you heard?
Boy, what?
Help the boy. Help the boy. I was trying to tell her and...
No, it's him. He's not letting up. But he's not even looking at him.
Oh.
He is.
They circling money because of the food. They were circling me earlier, but I was Ooh, oh my god, oh my god. I can't do this anymore. I'm gonna throw up, bitch. They're wailing. Look. Oh my god.
The birds were,
Give it to her. Oh my god.
Give the owner her food.
Yeah, bro, we take the food. The bird's not gonna bother.
Look.
It's not gonna bother you.
Oh my god.
What's the problem? Y'all sober, that's the problem.
No, we not. That's the problem.
If y'all was like nice, y'all wouldn't be worried about no birds. Yeah, bro, take it
Anxiety.
Don't let these birds scare you away from your food.
Listen.
Thank you.
Look at my arm.
Why they disappear when you came?
Got that magic.
Oh, please.
They recognize a G.
That was scary. Not gonna lie, that was scary.
That's good. Where y'all ladies from, by the way?
That shit has got me tight, bro.
That ass, y'all from New York? You
Bro.
scared of some birds?
No, this is
My nigga, there's mad pigeons in New York. Way more bully than these fucking birds.
They don't
They don't fucking bother you.
Now I'm from here, but I lived in New York for the past 12 years, so you know the vibes.
Why didn't
Brooklyn.
you
What about y'all?
That's mad crazy.
Albany, so it's right here.
So y'all Canadians.
Canadians.
Y'all basically Canadians.
Where you from?
I'm from here.
Yo, I got sand on my arm, fucking with them damn birds.
Don't stop.
I'm tight.
Always.
Huh?
Don't stop.
What's tea, y'all? Period. So this is our last and final day. Well, it's not even a fucking day. We're getting ready to go to the airport right now. We went out last night. It wasn't really last night, like 3 o'clock in the morning. Monty and Alice had came in here talking about some, let's go to the strip. So we did. We went to Voodoo Lounge. And then we went to some place called Sunny. We was there till like 5 a.m. y'all. Like 5 a.m. And then what happened? Then we came home. These bitches went back outside. Alizé and Monty went back outside. I didn't go with them. I was twisted. From going to Voodoo, then going to Sunny, I was twisted. And let me tell you this. When it comes to a drink, I'ma have it each and every time, okay? So, I was twisted last night. But now, it is what? Sunday the 19th. It's 10:38. Our flight leaves at 12:55. So we about to go to the air. That's Alizé brushing her teeth in the back. We about to go to the airport though. But I just wanted to close out this vlog. Why is my thing like? Oh my god! I can't wait to get back and get my lashes done. Yeah. Wow. But alright, I'ma see y'all. I'ma see y'all in my next video. But this is it for Miami. This is it. Miami's done. Miami didn't win on me this time though. I had a great time here. I had a great time in Miami. It was lit every motherfucking day. And I was just that on that. But this bitch is gargling in the background, so I'm sorry y'all. I'ma see y'all in my next video.
Back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.